Okay, everybody, we are here at 3517 Camino Del Rio South in San Diego, California. We have an elevator right here. Elevator number 1, so maybe there's another elevator. It's a ThyssenKrupp. Let's go to 2. Here we are at 2. Obviously, this is only part of the building, considering there's more to it, but you can get a nice view. And actually, I'm going to get some pictures. This is beautiful. All right, let's go back down. Ooh, red. Look at that. That's something you don't see everywhere. Now we're going to go back to P2. There's one thing you guys might notice. No scrolling arrow. Very strange. And I don't know if these buttons have been replaced. It's likely that they have. No, probably not actually. So loud out here. Got an interstate literally right next to this building. Such a nice elevator. Okay, that'll be it.